we have our own journey, and we can fulfill that journey at the same time that we are helping our loved ones.
Visit aarp.org/caregiving for a free military veterans guide to navigate your caregiving journey and better care for your loved one and yourself. Brought to you by AARP and the Ad Council.
Radio is your probably not hearing back there. 866-90 is a red eye. It's like 30 something like Right. With no information yet as to why. Now, preliminary car, not the other car, they set the state line, but they had to law. But I sit there and say that because you are in and you believe, number one, teaching sexualized content to 5, 6, and 7-year-olds is wrong, and you come out strongly against that, and if you believe that drag queen reading hour should not take place in our public schools through high school, it's a little bit of a leap saying that's why the killer did it and you're responsible. That's the stupid analogy that they're trying to make. I'm telling you, they're just going to go crazy the next 2 years together. They can't stop. You and I said there's no other direction for them to go. They don't know how to go anymore. No, they don't. I mean, again, they want to cause tragedy. And that's the thing. And Buttigieg did it real. Oh, yeah, for real. Really. He had no idea. There was absolutely nothing in the tweet that Bober message sent the content message sent by Bober about that tragedy in her state. But no, you got to jump on it and make it a war. Make it about you. Make it about you. So that's what you're going to do. Nobody that's going to be able to stop you against doing that. And again, that's the tragedy. And I think we all stop to take these families are suffering. It's a great loss. At a time when families should be gathering and celebrating each other and hugging each other, and you have people gone, you have people that won't be here this Thanksgiving or ever again, and these families are grieving a horrific loss. We decided to take it out for them. I mean, the entire goal is here. What the left is saying is the right can't have an opinion on anything, because if somebody appears to be mentally unstable and does something, then you're responsible for it. But if it happens in reverse, yeah, the shooter's not responsible. It's everybody else.
Balance of nature, changing the world one life at a time.
Not as tired as she used to get. Gives her energy to do things around the house.
I really appreciate it. I really like your product. I'm happy with it.
You don't have to really think about it anymore. You've got it, and it's in your diet. Regularity, let's put it that way. It's very good. Because I don't always eat my vegetables and fruits. I know I'm better with it.
A little more energy and just feeling pretty good overall. Seems to work so far. No complaints.
I feel something good. I can't point my finger on, but I feel good in general.
I do have a little bit more energy, do stuff after work. Before I didn't really want to do stuff and just wanted to sit around.
I think I have a little more energy. I'm an older, disabled person. I don't always eat properly. Just feeling a little stronger that way.
Start your journey to better health. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com to get free shipping. And don't forget to get 35% off your first preferred order by using discount code KSFO. I asked what kind of family she wanted. She said, a family like yours.
Learn more about adopting a teen at adoptuskids.org. You can't imagine the reward. Brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Adopt U.S. Kids, and the Ad Council.
Bongino. This is the Democrats they trust. They've raided the guy, they spied on him, they accused him of treason, being a racist, a Nazi, a fascist, killing people, and he still won't go away.
Bongino, 9 to noon on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
I'm just listening to stories. Just singing a song. I'm just.
No. When it comes to distracted driving, just don't. Sending a text takes your eyes off the road for just 5 seconds, but in that time, your car can travel the length of an entire football field. Any distracted driving just isn't worth it.
Visit StopTextStopWreck.org. A message brought to you by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, Project Yellow Light, and the Ad Council.
Over the last few years, things have gotten
and for our kids, these things can be overwhelmingly stressful. Scientific research and real-life experience
tell us that the number one antidote to stress is authentic, trusted relationships.
That's why I am committed to building and maintaining trust.
This is a trusted space.
Find free resources for student and educator wellness at calhopeschool.org.
Find out everything you need to know about your favorite radio station on the Talk Radio 560 KSFO website. It's all at KSFO.com.
Dan Bongino. Remember, it was Barack Obama who said, do not underestimate Joe's ability to things up. It rhymes with clock.
Bongino, 9 to noon on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Show with advanced synthetic technology is designed to help keep your rig running with more mileage and less maintenance.
It's the most wonderful time of the year for pro drivers when you activate Push for Points in the My Rewards Plus app. Earn more loyalty points faster with every diesel fill-up and redeem your extra points on great gifts for your loved ones. Activate Push for Points and earn up to 4 points per gallon after just 6 fills instead of 15 fills like the other guys. Download the My Rewards Plus app and activate Push for Points today. Only at Pilot Flying J. See pilotflyingj.com/terms and conditions for My Rewards Plus terms and conditions.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we are proud to bring you the Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club. We've been saluting drivers who have surpassed the million-mile mark with preventable, accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate superior driving skills. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1 million miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at redeyeradioshow.com. That's redeyeradioshow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricator, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scale. We applaud the individual truckers and fleets who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at redeyeradioshow.com.
If you depend on a truck to make a living, then American Trucker is for you. Every day, Trucker.com is packed with information you need to keep your truck running and the money rolling. From new products to the latest in regulations, American Trucker has what you need to know. American Trucker staff knows that you are running a small business, and they work hard to bring you news and information that matters. So don't miss American Trucker's free newsletter. Go to Trucker.com. That's Trucker.com and sign up today. Sponsored by Fleet Owners.
And he is here in front of me. I'm Gary McNamara, East 690 So I'm telling you yesterday when I saw that Twitter, and it was funny, we was talking about this yesterday, about CBS being off Twitter, and then coming back on Twitter. And one of the first things I saw was a report yesterday that used to be with Fox News. He used to break stuff all the time. And here he is 2 years later saying that there's more evidence that the Hunter Biden laptop is legit. It's like, where's the new information here? This is 2 years old. And when I came in, one of the first things I told you, I said, what an embarrassment, Carneros, who used to break on Fox, and now she's at CBS breaking news that we've known for 2 years. Yeah, that's got to be especially trying for her. She, I assumed she was brought up with CBS because of her almost limitless list of sources. I mean, she seems to have sources and it's like, okay, wait a minute. I would say in recent months, you only had to follow this story, and I'm talking about as a consumer of news, not a easily scroll like that. You only had to